Then after which you, let's say you want to put in 500 pesos. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I will be showing you how you can transfer money from the new Metrobank app to your GCash. So I'm currently here on my phone, and it wasn't really like this in the past because the Metrobank app had different user interface and was more accessible and was more easier and more convenient to use when transferring money from it to GCash. But let me show you how you can do it in the new app. So let's head over and find the new Metrobank app. It should be this one, Metrobank. Alright, we found it, the app. And now all we need to do now is wait for it, and we should be given this advisory. Just click back, and now we just need to log in. I'm gonna log in into my account. I could have used my fingerprint, but I wanted to make it hard for myself, so there's that. Just click go next, and then I'm just gonna go maybe later. I'll enhance my security later. So here we are on the Metrobank app, and what we need to do now is to send money to GCash. So we just go here to send money, then after which you, let's say you want to put in 500 pesos, then select our recipient. Let's go for unenrolled account, individual. The bank should be GCash, so let's scroll down and find GCash from here. Here we go. Then we just need to write down the account number of the GCash account or the mobile number. Looks weird, but it's supposed to be that because it is a mobile number after all. Then we type in the first name. We just need to write the name of the user or the full name for the GCash account. Then the last name. Then write down your mobile number. Then the email. Then just click on next. Just go no thanks, and then you can choose whether you want to choose InstaPay, which deducts 25 pesos transaction fee, or PesoNet, which deducts 50 pesos transaction fee, both of which have their own pros and cons, but let's just go for InstaPay this time. Purpose, money transfer, whatever you want to put in here. I'm just going to put the money transfer, then go next, then confirm. And now you just need to put down the passcode from your, passcode means your ATM pin. So you just need to put it down, write it down. So, and then after that, you should be good to go, and then your money will be sent to your GCash. That's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.